is a singer everyone has heard, loud a midsummer and a midwood bird, who makes the solid tree trunks sound again. He says that leaves are old and that for flowers midsummer is to spring as 1 to 10. He says the early petal-fall is past, where pear and cherry bloom went down in showers, on sunny days a moment overcast. Then comes that other fall we name fall. He says the highway dust is over all. This bird would cease and be as other birds, save that he knows in singing not to sing. The question that he frames in all but words is what to make of a diminished thing.